Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited gold bars in the Candy Crush. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So what we need to do is go to the website Hex Mods, and once we're here guys, just scroll down until you see Candy Crush Saga and then press on it and then just press the download button and you're good to go. So be sure to try this out. It's super insane guys and it actually works. So hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super cool, honestly, and it is working. So pretty wild stuff. I've looked into these mods before, and I can tell you that not all of them actually do anything, which is annoying. But I can tell you that this actually works. So when you go to the search bar and type in Candy Crush, you can see it is not that cheap. So that's why I mainly feature this mod and stuff like that. As you can see, in-app purchases, what the heck? There is so many, bro. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. It's super insane, and it actually works pretty well. So hope you guys enjoyed it. This is super cool, and it is updated, and it's wild, and it's super good. So I will see you later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to try it out for yourself and get the word out just so more people know about the method, because I'm not too sure who knows about the method and who doesn't. So that's why I made this video for you guys, so you can learn about it. But yeah, this is super wilding and it is updated and everything, so try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is super cool. Updated versions, guys, that's what we need. Alright, so I'll see you later and peace out.